अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं होस्ट नैन, आप देख रहे हैं नया पाकिस्तान। इस वक्त मैं बनी गला में मौजूद हूँ। कल ये खबर आई कि इमरान खान को गिरफ्तार कर लिया जाएगा। उसके बाद पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ शहरों से नौजवान, बच्चे, बुजुर्ग, खवातीन, मेरी बहनें यहाँ पहुँची। इनसे बात करते हैं, पूछते हैं क्या वजह है, क्यों आए हैं और अब तो ज़मानत हो चुकी है फिर भी यहाँ क्यों बैठे हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कहाँ से आई हैं?
मैं मरगला वैली से आई हूँ बट रहती अबू धाबी में हूँ, अबोट से आई हूँ।
रहती अबू धाबी से हैं। सो व्हाई विल यू कम हियर?
I came here to support Imran Khan because he's the greatest leader I've ever seen in my life. He influenced me to a lot of things. He's normally, to be honest, and I don't want to be harsh to anyone. Just giving you a warning. Don't take it to heart. But the Sharif family, they were bad influence to all of us little kids, especially they were the bad influence. And Imran Khan, he influenced me to the point where I thought my own country is most precious than anything. Yeah, they did, and it's not okay. I just want to say, how can they be so blind? How can they be so blind to not see a good leader? I know police don't want bad for their own country because they're here for our safety, security. Police, they're here to make us feel safe. But to be honest, Sharif family made them so blind to not see the good in us, in Imran Khan. He's honest person. He's protective over us, and it's not okay. It's not okay. Yeah, of course, he's a great influence on all of us kids, big adults, kids. He's great influence. And to be honest, if anyone is like, for example, when I feel discouraged, I would hear his speeches. I would hear his voice because he is literally a peace of mind for me personally. And imagine if I am one of those million billion people who gets peace when I hear his voice, his interview. Imagine the other kids that feel great, and imagine his family. They feel so proud of Imran Khan, and I personally take him as my father because he protected me, nothing less than a daughter.
So what will you think about Nawaz Sharif, Asif Ali Zardari, and these all PDM?
I'm being serious, okay? I want to be psychologist, right? Like a brain doctor. And inshallah, when I will be, I will fix his brain first because they mess up our brains and their own. They think money is everything. They think money can take their power. They think money is power. They think money is everything. It's just piece of paper that can turn anyone, that can change anyone, that can turn anyone bad.
Do you think these are looters?
Of course, they're bad. They're really. There are no such thing as bad people. Bad people is not born, they're made. And something that made them bad, I hope Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala change their mind in time because I don't want them going to, dying before.
Okay, see, these people come from different cities for protecting Imran Khan. So what will you think about this and these crowd, these people?
To be honest, to all of you around me, to all of you that is present here, you are great people. Thank you so much. You are the one who inspired Imran Khan to keep going. Because of you, Imran Khan is going, and he have the power to keep going, to stick to his own words of protecting us. Thank you so much, everyone that's here.
थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर देयर। देखें जी, ये जोशो जज्बा है। इस तरह पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ शहरों से नहीं बल्कि दूसरे मुल्कों से भी लोग यहाँ पहुँचे हैं। ये मेरी बहन पहुँची है और इसने जो बात की आपको पता चल गया। लोगों का ये कहना है कि हर हाल में इमरान खान की हिफाजत करेंगे और इमरान खान लूटर्स नहीं है। इमरान खान इस कौम को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए आया है और इस कौम की जंग लड़ है। मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।